I want to create an email signature and I want to add it to my HubSpot. So first of all, you'll want to create your email signature. To do that, what we've used is the HubSpot email signature generator. So you can follow this link here, hubspot.com/email-signature-generator. And it should bring you to a page similar to this. I've already filled mine out, and I already have everything that I want in there. But you can choose from different templates that you want to use there, different text options, and then you can theme it a little bit more. So I've used the same set to close blue that you can add for the different icons. So once you've created that, you can add this as a signature to HubSpot. So when you're sending out emails through HubSpot, you'll want to have a signature there. And to do that, just go to the settings icon in the top right corner here. You'll go to general, because this is general for you. And you can see here that there are different tabs of profile. You want to go to this email tab right here. Okay, now I already have my email connected to HubSpot, so you may want to do that as well as you're in these settings. But for this video, it's just about adding and editing the email signature. So I've already added one in here, but I've made a few updates to add some more icons there. So I'm just going to go back here. So just so you know, you click on the edit email signature here under the configure section. And you have two tabs up here. If I remove everything that's added here, you could go to the simple. This is the simple editor, or you can do the HTML. This HTML section is what we're going to use. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to create the signature there. I'm going to copy the source code. All right, you can see that it's copied up there. Just going to go back here. Now I've pasted that in there. I just Control V and to paste it there. Now it says at the bottom, create your own free signature. I don't like that copy there. I don't like it. So I'm going to remove that, what's called a table row. That's /tr down here. And then if you follow that all the way up here to tr up here, right? I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to delete it. So now you can see I can't scroll any further down. It's deleted that, and it still saves the entire look to this preview here. So I'm going to save that. And that should be added to all of my emails as my personal email signature. There you go.